All right, so here we are at the login page. So after we finished registering, we will go to login. You remember your login username, or you can simply write your email that you used before. So make sure you remember, and the password as well. All right, log in, and here we are. Yeah, sure, I can save. And I have my details here, and let's learn how to navigate through this website. You have the home page, you have the listen and watch, you have these different tabs for different things, different purpose. You don't have to go through these, but if you want to learn more, your mom and dad can check this out and support you. I want you to focus on these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So for example, we want to practice some grammar and vocabulary. So I'm going to go to grammar videos. I can see list of options here. So I'm at grammar videos. If I want to jump to a different section, I can go to grammar practice instead. But I want grammar videos for now. Now, I can see something interesting, or if I send you in the classroom to find a specific lesson or specific video, for example, school rules, amazing, our contract. We can click and you can read. The English here is very simple, straightforward, and they will test you in this video about must and must not, mustn't. So, instructions, what to do. You have to read this carefully before doing anything. So do the preparation first. Okay, preparation is here. Watch the video. Okay, we watch later here. Print the worksheet for more practice. If you want, you can print here, and the answers. Please don't check the answers first. Okay, leave it to test yourself first, and then check it at the end. It's the last thing you do. And you can actually read also the discussion from different students. And you can say, oh, wow, I like this comment. We must follow school rules. Yes, no Vietnamese in the classroom. Like, yes. And you can write contract is the topic, and you can say, our teacher, oops, has the same rules in the classroom. Okay? You can save it, send it, and it'll be fine. So to do the exercise now, prepare yourself by getting to know some vocabulary first.
Eat, shout, uniform.
And it should be easy for you now. For example, do homework. I just click one click, and do homework would be click back here. You don't have to drag, just click teacher, teacher, school, school. Then you click finish. I did not finish them all. Too bad. You listen video. Usually there are 1 to 2 minutes.
Oh, Kitty, what's the matter?
Nothing.
Kitty?
I got into trouble at school today because I took Hero to school.
You mustn't take pets to
You can
school.
make it
But
slower,
why?
Because it's a rule.
or you can make it faster.
Can you think of any other school rules? Things you must or mustn't
I'll
do?
keep it normal for now.
I mustn't eat in class. I mustn't shout or be cheeky. And I mustn't take pets to school.
Keep
And
it
what
on the
about things you
side.
must do?
We must wear school uniform. We must do our homework and do
Yes. All right, to print, you click and you can see the worksheet pop up on a new tab. And you can read the script. Next sheet right here. If you have a printer, go ahead and print right here. Or you can just do it on your notebook. Teacher Med's notebook. Okay. Always have it, please. And it's a great practice for you. Very simple, very easy. It will take you probably 10 minutes, 15 minutes for every lesson here. You can go back and choose new ones. You can listen instead of grammar. Maybe you're tired. Grammar is not maybe that easy. You can listen to songs. Abracadabra, there's some magic here. Same format. Instructions first. Prepare yourself first. You learn and practice new vocabulary. And then the video to practice your listening. And then you can play the game. All right? Good. Good work. I really hope this helps you. And I'm going to try to ask you for more online homework like this. So good luck and see you in class. Bye. 5 stars.